So here are the South River fish, South River area, and some persons actually fish for food. Some persons, like me, just fish for fun. The intention of rearing these fish. Now here are these fish. Here I'm trying to get them. They are very fast. Practically impossible for me to catch. I don't know if I will be able to catch any. See some here around this side. As soon as I net in the water, the fish actually disappear. Right? So it's becoming really a tedious task to try to catch these fish. Why?
Sorry, I messed up your video.
Why?
Crab.
Alright.
Let's catch him.
Let's look. I catch one. Alright, and we're gonna put it in a pot. Pass on.
Ready.
How many people don't catch some crabs standing here to eat later? But they don't want to crab get them in the dish. Several plecos and crocodile exist in this water. The fish will actually live in the moss, just like in the fish pond. And it's really tedious for me to catch them. Let's go around to the other side.
This is one of my worst fish.
So here you are along the South River Stretch Road in Clarendon, and there are several fish that is in the moss in the water, and they are actually scurrying around for food. I'm trying to get a few, but it's kind of working out a little bit tedious for me because they are well versed on the terrain, making it really difficult. Wow, you see that? That looks like a cichlid. That looks like two cichlids, right? Zooming in. Alright, look very carefully. Alright, those cichlids, they exist. 1, 2, oh, 3. Wow, so beautiful. Right, it looks like cichlids. I can't tell what kind of cichlids they are. If you can, let me know on the bottom column. Alright, but these cichlids are really looking beautiful. Alright, and yeah, 1, 2, 3. Right, oh wow, and there's a big one there. It looks like a Jack Dempsey, right? A big one, right? So these cichlids will actually go through, and they would eat the fries of the baby janga along the stretch, right? Right. These fish just look so wonderful in their natural habitat, right? However, they will become food for somebody eventually, right? As fisher folks actually tries to catch some food probably for dinner later. Right, look good. You will see it. I hope the light is not in it. Right. So these fish actually lives within this channel. By the way, at this point the water is fresh. It's not salt as yet. Right. It gets salt as the water moves down. Now this is what you call a dragonfly. And the dragonfly will actually lays its egg in waters like these, and it will be dermifly, and it can stay in that format for about roughly 4 years before it eventually transform into dragonfly. Now the fish, you can see the reason why these fish are actually at the top of the water. They are running from the cichlids who are actually searching for food. I don't know if you can see, right? But they are so big. You remind me of my Oscar. You want to look like Jack Dempsey, but I'm not sure. Right, let's move a little bit more. See how much we can get in this. No. Hi. How long have you been fishing in this stream, in this
Not
river?
long.
Not long. So like an average size of fish that you will actually catch is like what, about 4 inch, 5 inch, bigger than that?
No. I don't really know, no. I
Okay.
never catch, because I never catch a big fish.
You never catch a big fish?
No.
Okay. during the course of this morning, what have you caught so far? Oh, you caught. Wow. Oh, wow. And what you call these fish?
Stretch mouth.
Perch or what?
Stretch mouth.
Stretch mouth. Okay. What you call them like that?
So we know them as the
Yeah.
name.
Okay, okay. You know if crocodile is within this water?
Yeah, but not here, so probably up here. So
Up the top. Have you ever actually seen any?
yeah.
Okay. So anybody actually go in the water, literally go in the water to catch a fish? Or they just stay at the side?
No, we stay at the side, that's why I don't know about nobody else.
Okay, and you live within the area, right?
Not down here.
Okay, okay. All right. Thank you for
Welcome.
answering questions. If you have time, you can look at my channel. It's Fish Keeping Jamaica, and I will dig you up in the video.
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
I saw 4 big fish down there, so in the center, right where I was standing. So 4 big fish right here, so.
They're not picking the life, I don't know.
Yeah, dry it too quick, I think. I'll probably make it stay a little bit, and then probably what you could do, you could get nets and see what
So,
happens.
but some part of the water deeper than some.
Yeah, you see the small fish, what I realize is that the small fish is actually at the top, and the reason why they're at the top is that they might run from the big fish at the bottom.
Yeah.
So anyway, you see the small fish them gather up at the top, more than likely big fish is at the bottom. So you could use that technique so as to get food, because they are actually looking for food over there, some big ones over there. So I don't know if it would be profitable for you to like stand up over on that side,
Yeah.
because if they get the bait here, by the time you dry it up, the cheese and all that kind of lick them off.
Okay.
All right, thank you again.
You're welcome.
Yeah, man, bye bye.
Yeah.